We are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty folding. List number 1. Seki collapsible cart with brake. If you're looking for a wagon that has it all, the Seki collapsible foldable wagon is the perfect choice for you. During testing, we were impressed by its durability and sturdiness. The wagon's frame is made of alloy steel, so it will weather well in outdoor elements, especially in coastal areas where metals are susceptible to corrosion from the salty air. The wagon's fabric is also designed with outdoor use in mind. The durable 600 denier polyester fabric is commonly used to make backpacks and outdoor gear. This makes it an ideal material for withstanding the wear and tear of dirty gardening tools, sandy toys, and other items. List number 2. Sena Compact Collapsible Wagon. The Sena Compact Folding Utility Cart is an affordable option that can easily transport a variety of items. At just 15 pounds, this wagon is the lightest on our list. We tested it out on various surfaces, including the sidewalk, sand, and rampway at the beach. We discovered that the small tires were not ideal for sandy areas. Nonetheless, we think it's perfect for navigating narrow aisles at the grocery and sidewalks in dense urban areas. It has a sturdy steel frame and 600D polyester fabric like our best overall pick, so it's just as durable at a fraction of the cost. List number 3. Gorilla Cart's Collapsible Folding Wagon. The Gorilla Cart Folding Wagon is a great choice for those looking for a spacious wagon with extra features at a price similar to its competitors. The size of the wagon's bed is 25 by 8 inches, with a capacity of 7 cubic feet, providing ample storage space. It comes ready to use straight out of the box. It was good to go after unwrapping the cushion and placing it in the wagon. We tested it out at the beach, filling it with items and pulling it across various terrains, including the parking lot, grassy areas, and sand. However, we did notice that the tires had some trouble moving on top of the sand and tended to drag through it instead. List number 4. Bo Jardin Folding Beach Wagon. Most wagons can be cleaned with a hose or spot cleaning, but the Bo Jardin wagon is different. Its polyester material can be removed from the metal frame and washed, making it perfect for carrying and storing dirty gardening tools. We didn't test it for gardening, but we tried it out at the beach, and it was effortless to transport sandy beach essentials back and forth. This is thanks to the heavy-duty 7-inch wheels that provide good traction on various surfaces. Folding and unfolding the wagon was a breeze and required no assembly. Although it is one of the heaviest wagons on our list, the Bo Jardin weighs just under 30 pounds. List number 5. Max Sports Heavy-Duty Collapsible Beach Wagon. The Max Sports Heavy-Duty Beach Wagon has 4-inch wide wheels, which should provide better traction than skinny wheels on sandy or pebbly beaches. During our test of the wagon, we discovered that it performed exceptionally well in sand. While the bulky wheels were great for navigating different surfaces, they did prove to be difficult to store. We also found it to be a bit heavy to transport. Despite the inconvenience of its size and wheels to some, we had no trouble hauling our cooler, beach bag, toys, and drinks. The wagon has 600 denier polyester fabric and a steel frame to weather harsh salty